All right, guys, here's the follow-up video I promised with the soul bypass exhaust on the Boxster. So take it out for a spin, let you hear it. Closed. All right, guys, that was a fun spirited drive on a beautiful North Carolina November 1st. So initial impressions, yes, love the exhaust. I think that even with the valves closed, it sounds a lot louder than stock did, but it's been a long time since I've had stock. Asked my wife and she agreed. She thought it also sounded louder than it used to. And with the valves open, I believe her word was wild for it. So it was very loud. It sounds great with them open or closed. I think I'll probably drive with them closed more often, like most people probably will, and open them up when I want to have fun or show them off to people. But yeah, it's very refined, I would say, a refined grumble with them closed. And the main thing people always want to know is if it drones, and I'm not picking up on a whole lot of drone. I mean, yeah, it's pretty loud and deep when you're at around 3,000 RPM, but it's not droney like the cheap eBay one was. Some people might consider it to have a little bit of drone, but overall, I think it sounds really good. I don't know, judge for yourself. Let me know in the comments how you thought it sounded, or if you've heard one in person or own one, let us know how you feel about them compared to any other exhaust that you might have experience with. So once again, if you guys want one of these, you can order them directly from me. It's the Soul Bypass Muffler Kit. I can get you a better price than straight off of their website. So all of my subscribers, I'm gonna hook you up. Shoot me an email, aaron@helpmediy.org, or send me a message on Instagram or Facebook. Oh, and one last note, I did have some engine codes come on right when I had this installed, and that was, if you watch the install video, which I'll have a link to that, I noticed that there was a vacuum line that was not connected, and I don't know how long it had been like that. I don't think I disconnected it during the install, but as soon as I got that hooked back up correctly and cleared the codes have not come back on. I've put a couple 100 miles on this exhaust now, so running well, no check engine lights, and everything's good. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on the next video.